exhale ji, hunch. Yes, inhale, 2 more round ji, inhale, yes, đúng rồi. Exhale, hunch. 1 more round, inhale ji, and stay here. 1, 2, look forward, 3, 4, 5 G. Exhale, dog pose. You can feel now. Tighten your thighs muscles. Squeeze. Yes, dagoi thang. Straight your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 G. Drop the knees down. Now we use another block. We need to be careful. So on the block, I will be put my chin. Come. Not thoughts, not this part. Adela. Bye bye thought. So I will be put only this. Remember, only come, not ko. Okay? How to do? You see me. My bap thigh, gun here. You see like this. So my hands is here. Chin, come. Chin down. You can wait for me. I can support you. And just straight your hands. Stay here. 1, 2, more. Continue. Yes. Open. Down. No. Just relax. Yeah. It is opening your neck. 1. Thang tay chị. Đúng. 2. Cẩn thận. 3. 4. 5. Slowly with elbow support. Elbow. Plank position. Yes. Đúng. Elbow. Inhale up. Squeeze like this. Squeeze. Look forward. Look front. Elbow inside. Yeah, Dr. Ji. Elbow inside. Squeeze. Squeeze. Stay here. Elbow little inside. Here. Elbow. Kêu tay phải. Đúng rồi. Now tay bên này. Tay bên này. Đúng rồi. Mở kêu tay. Stay here. 1. Look forward. Look front you. Yes. Look front you. Look mắt lên thằng chị. 1. Zoom. 2. Có chất mắm lên bẩn mấy kia chị. Stay here. 2. Strong. 3, 4, and 5. Drop the knees down. The goes. Slowly inhale. Raise your hands. Catch your both heels. Exhale. Relax your neck. And stay here. 1. Pushing your thighs forward. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Inhale. Raise your hands. Now we try to do chamchui headstand with block support. How to do? You just see me. I'm catching like this from here. Okay. No need this block. I just doing something to make you understand. Also, you can use this block, but I will show you. First little hard, second little easy. Catch the block like this. Your thumb is here. So when I drop my head, is the center, not here or not here, not the center. Come sao? Just you can understand. Elbow inside. I'm using my forearm strength. Thigh strong. Okay. So if you want to use the block, you can use like this. Just, but this is hardly okay because you have to understanding the squeeze the core, squeeze toes inside, and like this, the center of the head down, toe inside, like this. So when you do this, squeeze, you see, squeeze no harm, squeeze. But if you can't do this, you no need to use the block. Easier for you, just you with this elbow inside and just walking your feet. One leg bend the knee before we did. Squeeze, squeeze, and just here. And your hip is little like this. Mochan len, tan, mochan ga. Okay, one by